Welcome back, guys. Today we're here in beautiful Dana Point. There's supposed to be a beach right there. There is not. There's homes. But on the other side is the ocean, and we're here filming green twin-turbo STO. Absolutely insane vehicle. I'm excited to see what they want to do, what kind of shots they have lined up, and what's going to happen.
Yeah, it should be pretty insane. We sadly forgot the camera at home, but we got the phone, so we'll see how this footage goes.
Could be a shot on iPhone commercial.
It's like a little party. Dude, damn.
That is nice.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ooh, that was loud.
That was nuts.
Waking up the whole beach front. I was going to say neighborhood, but I don't know. Wow, that was the sun. Ow.
Very nice. Big twin turbo kit on the back of this STO. Like, wow. Got the parachute too. This is crazy. Damn. And he's got the kick-ass merch. Of course, need money for carbon. Sheepy race kit with the drag radials is crazy though.
It looks so good in real life, dude. Like, wow, even the green turbo, like, that's a crazy addition.
He wants to race.
He
Really?
wants to race?
Does he really?
Good to see you.
Ah, I'd be so down. I want to see how bad I lose to this thing, dude.
Everybody's trying to race you right now.
1,500 wheel horsepower.
Ooh, damn.
Parachute on the back, everything. It's ridiculous. It's like the fastest Lambo in SoCal. I really think
Oh, I
it is.
bet.
I'm telling you, I'm telling you, my Hellcat, bro, I was like 800 a month.
Oh, we did the all-wheel drive conversion.
Yes.
Wow. That's gnarly. I gotta get my car. Like, I don't know. I do my best. Like.
Alrighty guys, and welcome back. We're just shooting some content for Got the Meets coming up. We got here TT Lambo, so let's get some stuff rolling.
Insane drag radials. This car is wild. You got the green turbos. Got some nice heat coming off, and you got the parachute. This is crazy. New contestant for M4 versus the world. Homeboy's doing some crazy tricks. Look at that view. Oh my God. Dude, this sunset is wild. Like,
Stock officer.
yeah, totally stock. I don't know. I don't know what you're saying. Tapping your hood?
No, I'm telling Shayle to do his headlights
Oh, yeah.
because he's got to be at low speed for him. That's what I found out when we were doing rollers. We shoot with Got the Meet. He remembers. I picked
You picked the best spot.
a good spot for today. Good spot for today.
Flames!
Just shoot him! Just shoot him! Ooh, hello there, Mr. Shayle. Let's see how good his turn radius is. Oh, damn.
Not bad.
That was not bad at all.
He's got a better turn radius than me. I mean, it's a Lamborghini, but like.
Parking garage time. This car should be loud in here. Ooh, start roaring. Holy crap. definitely some of the biggest and most insane flames I've seen from a twin turbo Lamborghini. Shayle is lost.
I'm in love. I'm in love. I need one. I need 5. Oh my god. This is crazy.
No way. This is just crazy. Look how red hot that is. Okay, we need to go. Behind him. We need to go. We need to go.
I know.
Let's go. Bro, dude, what the hell? What are we doing? Oh my god.
Hey, later, Ruben. Hey, I'll meet you up there.
Oh my goodness. Dude, this is crazy. This is like actually properly crazy.
Come to Gunther Meets.
Come to Gunther Meets.
He's gonna be there. He's gonna come. Gunther Meets is gonna be Friday, November 15th, 6 to 9 p.m. We're gonna have tacos. We're gonna have a DJ, and you just saw those flames. They're gonna be there. So come on out. Hope to see you guys there.
Bro, that was crazy. That was crazy. I don't even like words are failing to exist right now.
When you see all the Supras and stuff like that, it's kind of crazy, but
It's not even the same. It's not even close.
dude, it's just.
It's like 4-foot flames.
Did you see how red his exhaust
It
was?
got so hot.
Hello there.
Welcome back. Today we are here at another base meet at RVNG's new shop grand opening.
RVNG.
Yeah, RVNG.
It's RVNG Newport Car Club. Sovik Speed's grand opening.
Yep, this is our new shop.
We just have a booth out here with bass, so we're not part of it.
Yeah. He just runs it.
Yeah. And we got, dude, look at this corgi, bro.
The Veneto Corgi is here. You guys are gonna see some crazy clips. STO shooting massive flames. It's absolutely wild. Got a hell of a rollout here. First edition M5 right here, this beautiful red. We got the premium guys rolling out. Voodoo's here, was here. Sick LCI, Drive It Gray. We got Moises.
Bro,
We got Moises.
broke my phone.
Got a nice M5. I guess there's a Mercedes. M5, bikes, things, trucks, all the way down. Jackson is on the way out. Dude, no way. We got the Iago and the M4, Moises, and this insane machine, big turbo Supra. Wow. I kind of want to race this dude. I don't know what his Instagram is, but we'll figure it. Oh, wow, big slicks on the back. Yeah, I'm down. Let's see how bad I lose. CSL number 2. This one's sick. The matte, or just normal white, actually. CSL. It's probably got an exhaust on there. Not sure what that is. Super sick, though. Batman in a Veneno. Adro. Sick BBSs. Damn.
So we got the meet right here, and then all the way over here we have about 8 cops spawn camping everybody, waiting for people to leave and do some crazy burnout or some sort of course, the Supra. Well, there goes an M4. But I'm hyped to hear this thing.
pretty impressive stuff coming out of that Supra.
Right?
Insane.
Dude,
Insane.
kind of wild.
Yeah.
It's honestly a great event.
It's a
Look
solid
how many
event.
People are. Goddamn, Sean. Oh my god, this thing is too loud. It's hurting my eardrums.
I just wanted to thank everybody for coming out, everybody for staying chill. This is a great first meet. There's going to be many more. No burnouts, no donuts, even though we love those.
Per the usual, you got our favorite guy, Crispy Delicious. What's up, brother?
This guy is my
Doggo! Doggo!
like 3 of the day. Did you get the one in the window?
Yeah, bro.
I gotta take a piss so bad.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna leave that in.
Completely sober. 3 weeks.
He actually is. Impressive.
I'm going to a party completely sober. I'm gonna beat up everybody.
Tanner.
Please call me.
Hi there. Hey, hi,
buddy.
hi. Dude, that thing is killer. What? M2. Oh, that's it's okay. It's okay. Where'd the cops go? Some guy just did a burn out. The cops are gone.
Props.
Yeah, Timothy Deers. Let's see this turning radius. You got it, buddy.
We could go. I say Ortega. Eat some leaves of the tree we crash into. You know.
No, I don't know about you. I don't crash into trees.
I mean, you got a Mustang.
I crash into people.
Oh, true.
There's
High
a
protein.
difference.
High
There's a
protein.
difference.
Yeah.
I'm more on a protein diet.
Yeah.
I'm on that
Carnivorous.
vegetarian thing.
Yeah. OnlyFans with car pictures.
I have nothing to do with this.
Cellular fits.
You like Italian food, Chill? I know, good.
I'm like really concerned with where this is going.
Thick Italian sausage.
That's what I thought we were going.
Yeah, that's what I want.